Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecture in mathematics, GDC Mahabad. GDC Mahabad. Today I am going to explain. Definition of curvature and radius of curvature and the problems. This is important topic in our first semester. What is the definition of curvature? You know, let two curves you see. Definition of curvature, see. This is A and B is A at P is bended at P. This is CD is bended at P. Comparing with these two, it is, what about C? It is curvature is, what about this? Curvature means Vyasardham. This is AB and CD be two curves. We observe that the curve AB bended more sharply. Comparing with this bended more. ఇది ఎక్కువ బెండ్ అయింది, ఇది తక్కువ. ఎక్కువ బెండ్ అయిందో it is more bended. Our curvature is more. Comparing with other. This is bended. This is C. This is round. Is round, you see, this is bended more. This at the point. This curve is. This bended is called what about C? Curvature. This bended, bending. ఎంతైతే బెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందో దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే కర్వేచర్ అంటాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కేస్. CD is bended smooth. Comparing with these two, it is more bended. ఇది ఎక్కువ బెండ్ అయింది. This is our case. Curvature, radius of the curvature. See, what is the radius of the curvature? You see, let AB, see this point, you see AB is a point, it is more bended with comparing with CD line. This is the case. Now next here, radius of the curvature. Let AB be a center. See this, radius of the curvature. See this. Our curve, it is AB. Our curve. This is one of the tangent line. It is our Q. The angle. It is a P point. It is C. It is N. There is C and P. P is point, not C. What about the AB is a curve. AB is a curve. P be the point and Q is the point on the curve. Let capital N is point in intersection of normal PQ. This is the normal line of PQ. PQ ki the normal line. If N tends to define position C as Q tends to P, then the point C is called the center of curvature of the curve at the point. The length CP is called the radius of curvature of the curve in P. The CP is called what of the radius of the curvature. This is the case. Now the arc length of the function is what is that? Arc length. Length of arc. Length of arc. Length of arc. You curve. See this. It is x y axis. It is x axis. Our curve is C. This is AB curve. This a point, let you take, it is a P point. See, it is a Q point. This is length of the arc. You take PXY point, this distance you take delta x, this distance you take delta y. This Q point is x plus delta x, y plus delta y with our length. This is delta x, this is delta y. See, now this here length of the arc, you find this. What is the length of the arc? PQ, right? See, PQ is totally, what about PQ is delta S. PQ length is equal to, you take delta S. Total is x length of this point delta x is delta y. Totally length is delta S. A small quantity is length of this. You see, what about see AQ? AQ is, A is any point up to AQ is equal to S plus, right, delta S. S plus delta S. Now see, from right angle triangle, this whatever right angle triangle, this our right angle triangle. P, the right point. What about C, N point? You see here P, that you write right angle triangle here. PQ square is equal to, here PQ square is equal to PN square. It is P, it is N, PN square plus NQ square plus NQ square. PQ square is equal to PN. PN is length of delta x. Delta x whole square, it is delta y. Delta y whole square. Now see, total is dividing by delta x. PQ by delta x whole square is equal to delta x by delta x whole square plus delta y by delta x whole square. It is, this is one C. Totally what is that C? PQ, see, PQ by delta x whole square is equal to 1 plus delta y by delta x whole square. Now chart PQ in figure C. Chart PQ. PQ is arc length, that is chart. It is PQ. This is the length. PQ by arc PQ, delta x is whole square is equal to into delta s by delta x whole square is equal to 1 plus delta y by delta x whole square. Here assuming that Q tends to P, limit Q tends to P, PQ by arc PQ is equal to 1. Because see this in the figure, Q tends to P. Q అనేది P వరకు వస్తే this arc length is no. That is simple point. Now see, obtain in the limit ds by dx whole square is equal to 1 plus ds by dx whole square is equal to 1 plus dy by, this is right, dy by dx whole square. Now totally ds by dx is equal to, this square is there, under root of plus or minus dy by dx whole square. This is the ds by dx of this arc length of this ds by dx. ds by dx is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. By using this, you see 1-2 problems on the find the ds by dx in the problem. Please and see. Radius of the curvature. Okay. Formula of radius of the curvature. Curvature rho is equal to ds by d psi is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square all to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. This is the radius of the curvature. It is the arc length of the curvature ds by dx. By using this formula, you can find the radius of the curvature. See one or two problems on this type. See this. Okay, problems. Find the ds by dx. Find the ds by dx for the curve y is equal to cos h x by c. Cos h x by c. ds by dx formula is ds by dx is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square under root. Here y is given. Y is equal to cos hx by c. To find derivation with respect of x, dy by cos hx is sin hx, sin h x by c. Again derivation x by c. Again derivation x by c is, you write what about c? 1 by c. Here y is equal to 1 by c sin h x by c, sin h x by c. This is dy by dx. Now in the formula, in place of this is substitute this. ds by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by c sin h x by c whole square under root. But the answer, ds by dx is equal to see 1 plus 1 by c square sin h square x by c. This is the arc length of the. Now to find this arc length, another problem this is given. See here, find ds by dt for x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to b sin cube t. Find ds by dt. Here x is a cos cube t, y is equal to b sin t. Now find here, what about c? ds by dt is equal to dx by dy by dt by dx by dt. You find these two enough. By right dy by dt into dt by dx. Now write see dy by dx. This ds by dt. See here. What about c? Right. Now find this. This not c. Now here x is equal to is given. What about c? F function is a cos cube t, y is equal to b sin cube t. Now see here x is equal to here f of t, y is equal to write g of t. In case of ds by dt, you find this way formula under this dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. This is the formula of ds by dt in function x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t is different ways. Now see x is equal to a cos cube t. This is both side differentiation with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to a is cos cube t, 3a cos square t, cos t ki malli emosthundi manaki sin t minus sin t. What about c? dx by dt is equal to minus 3a sin t cos square t. This is dx by dt. Similarly we can find y is equal to b sin cube t. Now dy by dt is equal to b sin cube 3 sin square t, again sin t is cos t. Now dy by dt is equal to 3b sin square t cos t. It is dy by dt, it is dx by dt. substitute in the formula. This is the ds by dt. Dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square under root. This is the formula. Very simple. Dx by dt is this. This place you write this answer. This place you write this answer. Is enough the case. Now what does that see? ds by dt is equal to ds by dt is equal to ds by dt is equal to dx by dt whole square dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. ds by dt is equal to under root of this place minus 3a sin t cos square t minus 3a sin t cos square t whole square plus dy by dt. Whatever dy by dt, 3b sin square t cos t, 3b sin square t cos t whole square. This ds by dt is equal to this you write whole square, it is 9 a square sin square t cos 4t plus 9b square sin 4t cos square t under root. Okay. Now see ds by dt is equal to here common 3 9 under root 3 common a square is there, right? No a square sin square t and cos square t is there. 4 ఉంది ఇది ఇందులోకి sin ఇందులోకి cos square sin square కామన్ చేస్తే 3 sin t cos t is common under root of a square cos square t plus b square sin square t. This is the answer of the above problem. This is 3 9a square 3 sin square t common వస్తుంది. Right, you write see sin square, sin inside go to the sin square cos square t, sin square cos square t, that is 9. Right, see sin square t, sin t, here sin 4t, sin square t cos t. That is, this is the solution of the problem, this C. Now next you see, see, find the radius of the curvature. It is very important, is given under 4 marks in previously or 5 marks. Find the radius of the curvature y is equal to c cos h x by c. Radius of the curvature formula, what is the radius of the curvature? Rho is equal, radius of the curvature rho is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. N of the problem is given y is equal to c cos hx by x by c. From this function you find dy by dx and d square by dx square. Y is equal to c cos h x by c. Now dy by dx is equal to cos h by c. What is the derivation of this? Cos h by c is derivation is sin h x by c. Again x by c you write 1 by c, right? That is close. Now cos h x by c, sin h x by c. Again x by c, 1 by c. C cut, that is dy by dx is equal to sin, c cut, sin only x sin h x by c. Now again d square y by dx square. Here dy by dx sin hx by c. Here sin is cos h x by c into here 1 by c. That is d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by c cos h x by c. Okay, so this is the d square y by dx. D square by dx square and dy by dx, these two. Substitute in this formula. Reason C. Now go to the substitution. See what is that answer? Rho is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. This is 1 plus this place sin h x by c whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by this answer is 1 by c cos h x by c. Cos h x by c. Now this c. Now here see this. Now here 1 by c 1 plus cos h x by c. Now see 1 plus cos h x by c whole square is there, this. Now see 1 plus sin h square x by c. See this 1 plus sin h 1 plus sin h x by c whole square. This is right. 1 plus sin h square x by c, total you write c 3 by 2, yes, by 1 by c cos h x by c. 1 plus sin square, you write c cos square h x by c whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 1 by c cos h x by c. 2 cut అయిపోతుంది. Here 3 cos cube h x by c by 1 by c means you write c above cos h x by c. It is cancel cube and square c into cos square cos h, sorry ikkada h cube, right, c cos h cube x by c, h square is cut by 1, c cos h square x by c, this. Now that is the answer. Now what about c? Here no doubt any. Y is equal to c cos h x by c is given by the formula dy by dx and d square by dx square. From this function you find these two, substitute in the answer, that is the c cos h square by c. This is the problem reason. See, now next to see second problem reason. X is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to also be given a sin t minus t cos t. Find radius of the curvature. Radius of the curvature. Radius of curvature. What is your radius of the curvature? Formula rho 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. Your function is xy is given. X is a function in f of t, y is a function in g of t. In case of you find dy by dx is equal to dx by dy by dt by now what is it? dx by dt. You write this dy by dt into dt by dx, this above. Cancel these two, you get dy by dx. Say, you find this and this here. Okay, dy by dt. You find this first, or dx by dt. Here given what? Y is equal to x a sin t minus t cos t. Here dy by dt is equal to a sin t means a sin t, right? Cos t minus u into v method. T cos t is minus sin t minus t derivation 1 cos t. What is the dy by dt is equal to a cos t minus plus t sin t minus cos t. Whatever answer C in below, a is there. Sorry, a cos t dy by dt is equal to whatever answer C, a cos t. Here a is common in case t sin t, a into cos t. What is C here? A, okay, t sin t. A is common here, t sin t. Sorry, this is now start here. A is common in both. This is common. A is common in both. Cos t is cancel. This is what about C? A t sin t. This is problem right here. A is common in both terms. A is common. T sin t. Now again similarly find x is equal to, here x is equal to is given a cos t plus t sin t. Here x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t, taking both side derivation with respect t, dx by dt is equal to a cos t ki emostundi, cos t is minus sin t plus u into v, t is 1 sin t plus t sin t is cos t. Right. Next, dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus sin t is cancel, t cos t, that is a t cos t. Totally what is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dx by dt. Dy by dt is answer already found above. Dy by dt is equal to at sin t by at cos t. at cancel అయిపోతుంది, sin t by cos t only you get tan t. This is dy by dx is equal to tan t. This is dy by dx is get, but what you see here, d square by dx square is there in the problem. You find again both side derivation with respect, that is d square y by dx square is equal to t sin t means sec square t, again derivative t, dt by dx, d square y by dx square is equal to sec square t dt by dx. dt by dx already you know, dx by dt, that substitute in reciprocal here, no doubt. What is the formula? You know, 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. This answer dy by dx is t tan t whole square divided whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square by dx square, sec square t dt by dx, no doubt at all. Now see here, 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square means sec square. Sec square cancel. sec square t whole to the power of 3 by 2 by okay, sec square t dt by dx. Q square cancel, here also be cancel. Sec cube t by sec square t dt by dx is also be cancelled, square t. What about c? Above sec t into right dx by dt, sec t into dx by dt. What about that? Sec t into dx by dt. Dx by dt answer is, you know that dx by dt, this is dx by dt is equal to at cos t. You substitute sec t into at cos t. Sec t at cos t means sec t into at, cos t, right? Sec t cancel, that only at you get. What about c? Rho is equal to at. This is, what about c? Radius of the curvature is rho is equal to at. To find this way radius of the curvature, and very important problem. This problem and this problem is given in 2-3 times. Listen, it is under our Cork University. This topic is very important, radius of the curvature. By using this formula, radius of the curvature you find. Given function y is equal to f of x, find dy by dx, dx by dt. Composite function or implicity function, you find this, right? Okay, thank you my dear students. Today class, thank you. See you.